So what's everybody, I got 3 things to tell you. One of them is I've been shooting this last whole month, or 2 months actually, with my GoPro Hero 7 Black. This thing is amazing. It's wide angle lens, it's 4K. I could do slow motion on it, hyper lapses, you name it, everything. So in the next couple of weeks, I believe, or a couple of days maybe, I'm gonna set up my tripod right here with my GoPro pointing towards the sky to do a night lapse. I'm gonna see if I can capture some stars, or who knows, anything. So what I do, I'll explain to you step by step, okay? From the settings, how I set up the tripod, what I do for the weather, everything. So it's gonna take maybe a couple of hours, maybe a whole day or 2 days, but we'll make it happen. The second thing is, check this out. 56 state parks of Tennessee, and out of all these I visited 11. Yes, all the ones with a check mark, yes, I've been there. I've been to Bicentennial Capitol Mall, I've been to Chickasaw, Cummings Falls, Dunbar Cave, Fall Creek Falls, Harpeth, Montgomery Bell, Natchez Trace, Paris Landing, Port Royal, and Ratner Lake State Park. My goal is to visit all 56 and capture something unique of that area. So we'll see how that goes. It might take me a whole year, it might take me a month, it might take me 2 months, but I will accomplish it. That's my own challenge, that's my own goal. And I'm doing it just to be able to visit every state park from Tennessee. What happens after that? Who knows? I'll venture to Kentucky, or I'll venture to Atlanta, or who knows? I'll venture anywhere, you know? The possibilities are endless, okay? Third and foremost, I'd like to thank everybody who's liked, shared, and subscribed to my channel. It means the world to me. This daily challenge that I've been doing is for the whole month of July. I missed the first day, so the last day of July I'll be posting 2 videos. Yes, 2 videos to compensate for the July the 1st. But hey, I got the challenge late. But I've been doing it every day, and I'm not gonna give up, and I won't quit. And it's definitely a challenge. Looking for topics, processing it, uploading it, making sure you share it to the right people. It's a lot. But I have to give it to everybody that does the daily vlog. Hey, it's hard work. But once again, with discipline and planning, you'll be able to accomplish it. That's what I've been doing. I get up early and I do a video, edit it, upload it to YouTube, and wait for the perfect time to publish it. Yes, it takes a lot of time, but hey, I'm not giving up and I'm not gonna quit. So you'll be seeing more videos of mine. It could be short, could be long, who knows? We'll see, right? Well guys, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Hopefully you've been enjoying my videos. If you have any suggestions, any ideas of a video that I could do, where I could go, hey, look up Clarksville, Tennessee. Tell me, hey Rafael, what about going here? I'll make it a goal to go over there and video something there, all right? Or if any ideas come to mind, hey, shoot them in the comments down below, all right? Well, thank you so much. Have a good night. Deuce. Feel amazing, and I stepped in dog poop. Great.